What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Bike Riders. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is on Ducati Multi-Studded. It's an adventure and tourer bike. Ducati Multi-Studded. The new Multi-Studded 1260S Grand Tour is the Multi-Studded that better expresses the concept of premium touring bike for those who love to travel without sacrificing anything. The design, performance and the comfort of the Multi-Studded 1260 blend with a rich standard of equipment and exclusive livery. Ducati cares. Let's get the emotion going again. The Ducati Networks is now open and thanks to the Ducati Cares program. The Multi-Studded 1260's Grand Tour comes with a side panniers, center stand, heated grips, additional LED lights, hand-free tank filler plug, tire pressure monitoring system as a standard equipment. Design. The Multi-Studded 1260's Grand Tour can be easily identified thanks to the harmonious and dynamic design characteristics of the Multi-Studded family add to exclusive Grand Tour livery. The smart matte sandstone grey color and the tone-to-tone 1260 logos on the side of the bike combines with the Ducati red frame, and details on the wheel rims and fairing are refined and yet sporty color matches. Thanks to the 1262cc Ducati DVT engine and the 4 riding modes, the Multi-Studded 1260's Grand Tour is suitable both for daily use and for traveling, as it can also be faithful companion for the long trips when two ups with the luggage. This is possible because 85% of the torque delivery by the DVT twin-cylinder engine is already available at 3500 rpm. The maximum power of 158 bhp is available at 9500 rpm and the maximum torque of 129 Nm at 7500 rpm are also easy to manage thanks to the ride-by-wire system ensure smooth total control. The riding mode that turns the Multi-Studded into 4 different bikes depend on the rider requirement. More sporty, more tourer for the long trips, more for commuting or for endurance. Moreover, thanks to the Ducati quick shifter up and down DQS, you can stop thinking about the clutch in the mountain roads full of bends. Just simply enjoy your ride, as gear shifting will be smooth and accurate no matter if you are shifting up or down. The Multi-Studded engine also combines top-class performance with long maintenance interval. Oil changes are scheduled at every 15,000 km. While the Desmo service is required in every 30,000 km, this distance allows you to enjoy all your travel, even the longest rides, without any worries. DVT system developed and fine-tuned by the Ducati engineers. The DVT system optimized performance and fidelity of delivery at all the end speeds levels. The Ducati DVT engine, which varies both the timings of the camshaft that controls the intake valve and the camshaft that controls the exhaust valve independently to achieve the maximum power while improving smooth total and increased torque at the low and the medium range speed. This means you have the engine that changes its characteristics by continuously varying the RPM without the rider even noticing it, remaining within the requirements paying great attention to the fuel economy, displacement and torque. Thanks to the new displacement of 1262cc, the new multi-starter 1260 engine sets outstanding new riding and performance standard. In developing the new engine derived from the unit fitted on the new multi-starter 1200s, Ducati engineers focused on guaranteeing the maximum and the best possible torque delivery at low and the medium range engine speed. 85% of the torque is in fact already available below 3500 rpm, with an 18% increase in the curve at 5500 rpm compared to the previous models. This was achieved thanks to the use of new connecting rods and the new crankshaft, new cylinder. The DVT system was then recalibrated to maximum mid and the low range torque delivery, leading to maximum power of 158 bhp at 7500 rpm and maximum torque of 129 Nm at 7500 rpm. Accessories designed for traveling: the multi-starter 1260s Grand Tour is equipped with the side panniers, center stand and special seat bearing the Grand Tour logo as standard to offer utmost comfort also to the most demanding travelers. The Grand Tour is also equipped standard with the heat hand grips, additional LED spotlights, hand-free tank filler cap and tire pressure monitor sensor, which allows for these parameters to be displayed on the instrument panel. Furthermore, like for the rest of the multi-starter family, a wide range of accessories is available during our sport ones, and the other one focused on the off-road of urban heated plug and play hand grips. By setting use one of the three available levels, you can avoid the cold and the subsequent sore hands to ride even on the coldest day. The multi-starter 1260s Grand Tour in terms of electronic equipment is a benchmark of IMU. Internal platform provides the ECU, precious information, cornering bike position and the speed and specs, thereby allowing operation of the ABS cornering of the cornering light, DCC present in the full LED headlamp fitted to the bike, and the Ducati wheelie control DWC. Both DWC and DTC can be customized by the rider through 8 levels or can be disabled. Standard equipments for the multi-starter 1260s Grand Tour also includes the vehicle hold control VHC and the semi-active suspension control Ducati Skyhook suspension EVO DSS. For carefree travels on the motorway as on the multi-starter 1290 models, the Grand Tour also features the cruise control that allows the rider to set the cruising speed using the button integrated in the switch gear located on the left side of the handlebar. This model also features a standard Bluetooth model that, through the Ducati Multimedia System DMS, allows the rider to connect the motorcycle with his smartphone and manage its main functions, answering phone calls and listening to the music. By means of button on the handlebar, the display and relevant information on the high resolution 5-inch color TFT dashboard, which marks new standard for user friendliness and easy readout view. The multi-starter 1260 Grand Tour is equipped with a hand-free system that not only allows starting the bike without key but also opens the tank filler plug without using the key. Ducati multi-starter engine 1262cc 4-stroke L twin cylinder liquid cooled double overhead cam, 4 volts per cylinder, dual spark, maximum power 158 bhp at 9750 rpm, maximum torque 129 Nm at 7500 rpm, exhaust stainless steel muffler with catalytic converter, aluminum tailpipes, transmission 6-speed gearbox, chain drive. Wheelbase 1585 mm, seat height adjustable 825 to 845 mm, weight 215 kg, fuel tank capacity 20 liters. Front suspension 488 mm fully adjustable USD fork, electronic compression and rebound damping, adjustment with Ducati Skyhook suspension. Rear suspension fully adjustable unit, electronic compression and rebound damping adjustment. Electronic spring preloaded adjustment with Ducati Skyhook suspension, EVO DSS aluminum single-sided swing arm. The suspension of Multistarter 1260s are of the semi-active type and are controlled by the Ducati Skyhook suspension DSS evolution system. The Multistarter 1260s Grand Tour features a Kaiba 48 mm USD forks with dedicated cast leg with fully adjustable features, spring preloaded hydraulic brake in compression and rebound, all on both forks. At the rear, the sack shocks absorber connecting the swing arm at the left cast subframe. Once again, the features are adjustable, remote spring preloaded with the hydraulic torque and the hydraulic brakes in compression and rebound. The spring is progressive, resulting in increased riding comfort and even carrying the maximum load allowed. Both the suspension allows 170 mm front and rear wheel travel. Tire and rim. The Multistarter 1260's Grand Tour is equipped with the die-cast light alloy wheels, rim featuring 5 Y-shaped spokes. The size are 3.50 into 17 on the front and the 6.00 into 17 at the rear. The front tire size is 120 by 70 R17 and the rear is 190 55 ZR17. The TFT screen ensures excellent readout view under the sun, while the HMI makes menu, navigator and setting easier and user-friendly. It is easy to immediately identify the selected riding mode because riding modes are color-coded. The sports riding mode is red, while the tourer are in white in the night mode or black in the day mode. The urban one is grey and enduro one is in brown. The TFT display provides information on speedo, engine RPM, odometer, engine coolant temperature, fuel level and clock. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Those who have already subscribed, hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest video. Thanks a lot for your support. See you in next video. Take care guys. Thanks for watching. And one more thing, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.